In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name on Udemy in just 5 minutes. Updating your name on your Udemy profile is a simple process, but navigating any new platform might feel a bit daunting at first. However, worry not. I'll guide you step by step, ensuring you understand every detail. First things first, open up your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type in Udemy. Hit enter, and you should see Udemy's official site right at the top of your search results. Click on this link to go straight to the website's homepage. Once you're on the homepage, take a look at the upper right corner of the screen. You will notice a login button. If you aren't already signed in, go ahead and click this button. Enter your email address and password, then hit Login. If you're already signed in, you'll see your initials or your profile picture instead. Now the next step is to click on those initials or your profile picture. This opens up a drop-down menu with various options. From this list, look for and select Edit Profile. This section is where you can view and modify the basic information of your account. When you're in the Edit Profile section, navigate to the tab labeled Basics. Here, you will find your current name along with other essential details. Simply click on the name field and update it to your preferred new name. Double-check to ensure everything is spelled correctly and appears exactly as you'd like it. The last step, and certainly not one to overlook, is to save the changes you've just made. At the bottom of the page, there's usually a Save button. Click on it. This action will ensure that your newly updated name is stored and reflected across your profile. Forgetting this crucial step would mean that your edits won't be applied, so make sure you see the confirmation that your changes have been saved. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to update your name on Udemy. This process not only personalizes your account, but also ensures consistency across your online presence if you're using Udemy for professional learning or teaching. Remember to keep your login information secure and updated to prevent any future access issues. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment, and I'll be happy to help out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more useful tutorials. Have a great day, and happy learning on